minutes.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Because, you know, even one kind of something, this one. Yeah, why you family right here? Yeah, it's another hit of 2008, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I never had a 0 on a 201, but no, 202. Let's see how now they can. Ah, you got to get out of the Allah.